it out because I want to taste these potatoes, you guys. Check out that. Does that not look delicious? Look at that potato right there. Mmm. Hi guys. How's everybody doing today? Good. Because your girl is back with the fried potato green bean meal. Now you say, why did she start? Because hey, you're going to follow these steps that I'm finna do, okay? So anyway, how's everybody doing? Good. So yeah, get your skillet out, you guys. Now I know you have some leftovers in your house. And it might be hard for you to get your kids or, you know, your loved ones to eat the veggies, right? Because I know that's the struggle over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add me a little olive oil in this skillet right here. Just like so. Just a little. Don't ask me the measurements because I don't know. Okay. So we're going to keep that moving. So let me get this brush, you guys. Because we're going to add that in here. And we're going to oil this skillet with it. Right? Because your girl just washed this skillet out. Because y'all know this is my favorite skillet, okay? My favorite skillet, it was my mom's skillet. So she been passed away 20 years. And so just imagine how long this skillet been in the family. And I think it's a winner. You know, cast iron is always a winner, okay? So yeah, we're going to go on here and we're going to put us a little butter with that olive oil, give it some flavor. Yes, we're going to give it some flavor. Let's just go on and mix this on up in here, you guys. Because what we're going to do is we got some fried green beans and potato meal. Yes, a one skillet meal. That's what I'm creating right here. And I want you guys to try it out and tell me how you like it, okay? So first we're going to go ahead and saute our bell peppers and onion. That's optional if you want to try it. But I think, hey, let's get the veggies in. Let's not waste not. Okay? Waste not, want not. Okay, and we have some potatoes right here, you guys, that I have chopped up. Now, I didn't do them big. I did them in maybe small. Okay, because I need these potatoes to cook, you guys. So I'm going to drain these potatoes on the side. I'm going to drain them. Because I need these potatoes to be ready when the onions and stuff saute up, right? Because we're not going to move these onions and stuff out the skillet. And we don't want them to get too sauteed, may I add. Okay? So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to add us a little salt. Just a little. Just like so. To help with the sweating of the potatoes. I mean, the veggies. And we're going to add us a little garlic and herbs. I don't know where my top is to this, but we're going to add us a little garlic and herbs. And we also added our all-purpose seasoning. The girl loved that all-purpose seasoning. It just gives the food a whole different taste, more of a smoky flavor, mind you. So now what we're going to do is insert our potatoes. Going to insert these potatoes. You know what? I already rinsed off my green beans. You guys, I already rinsed them off. I just kept them in a can. But we're going to make sure those are good and rinsed as well. We're going to get that out the way. Now I want you to turn your skillet on medium high. And we're going to season those potatoes just like so. Now it's on you if you would like to add more seasoning. I'm just giving you a meal idea on fried green beans with with potatoes, you guys. Because I have to get rid of these leftovers, you guys. And you know, I told you I have a small family. So when it comes to cooking and stuff, we have a lot of leftovers. And I just create meals and I just bring them to the channel now. But I used to just create meals and we enjoy them, you know. So yeah, you're going to enjoy this recipe. So we're going to let these potatoes go and do their thing and get brown. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so we got these potatoes doing their thing. They're browning. And yeah. Oh, look at that seasoning sticking down in there. This is going to be a good pot. Well, not a pot. Skillet of green beans and white potatoes. So, okay, so now we have some Italian sausage and we have some turkey sausage. These was leftover sausages. And yo, your girl don't like to waste food around here. I do not like to waste food around here. Not with this economy. No. It's not gonna happen. Right? Add you a little more oil if you feel like it. Or you can add water, you know, hey. Because eventually that might lead me to add a little water. But these potatoes are definitely on their way to being ready. This looks good already. It's kind of like the sausage and potato meal. That's what it put me in the mind of. So we're going to sprinkle our green beans right on top. Just like so. There it is. Just like so. And we're going to put us a little garlic herb again. Yes. Going to put us a little garlic herb on there again. And this is another way to enjoy your green beans. You guys, it's definitely another way to enjoy your green beans. Now we're gonna, you know what? We're gonna add us a little water. Not that it's sticking, but just a little water. We don't want to suffocate it with water. No, we do not. Just enough to wet the bottom of the surface. And we're going to let this go on and do its thing. You guys, I think this meal will be so enjoyable on all occasion. Maybe family gathering, family meal time on Sundays, and you guys, you would enjoy this recipe. Oh my goodness. Oh, if you can smell the aroma in here. Comment and let me know, have you tried your green beans and white potatoes this way? Because hey, your girl like to experiment. And we're going to go on here and we're going to let this do a thing and we'll be back. So yes, you guys, check this out. You guys, look at this right here. Oh, now, is that not a nice dish right there? Yes. And it's coming along good. Now that sausage must want me to taste it. I hear you. So yeah. That was a good bite right there. But anywho, you guys, check out this meal. Now I would top it with cheese, but I don't think green beans and cheese go together. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Thickness right there, you guys. Oh my goodness. Flavor all through here. Flavor is all through here, you guys. So I'm just going to pull a little bit out because I want to taste these potatoes, you guys. Check out that. Does that not look delicious? Look at that potato right there. Perfect bite. That potato don't want to get on this fork. So all the flavors together just give it that right kick. Now those Italian sausage, there was a tad spicy, but not too spicy. And the turkey sausage, it's like a different taste, you guys. Okay. So with that being said, you guys, try this recipe out. Try it with your kids, your friends, your family. Get their true opinion on it. Me, myself, I wouldn't kid you not, okay? This is a recipe worth trying. If you never cook green beans and white potatoes in a skillet to make it a skillet meal and enhance it with your sausage, it's no different than having a sausage and potato meal in the skillet. So with that being said, you guys, check above or check beside, and yes, you will see other links where I share different videos. And if not, go over to the top #1 videos. Check out the different recipes that I bring to you guys with the different twists. So from my house to yours, I am about to close this out because I'm finna enjoy some quality time. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Help me go into a different direction. And thank you for all my new subscribers. And I hope that I can bring some content that you can enjoy. Meantime, don't forget to leave your comment below so I'll know where to go. Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.